Tune into the show. Why all guys always looking for young pussy?
No, why them big man don't have no respect for woman?
Huh?
Why these big old men don't have any respect for woman? He take up this a seat.
What's going on here?
He sit down.
A guy, he put the paper towels on the chair, and the lady asked for the seat. And he said, no, we asked him to move the bag.
Right.
We asked him to move the bag, and he said, why should he move the bag? We said, you have no respect. You see, it's a lady. And she's an elderly. She wants to sit. But he rather rest his paper towel on the seat than let the lady sit.
But that's his friend, right? That's his friend and his girlfriend. Don't get involved with them. Anyway, I come. Anyway, come, child. We're talking. So anyway, but I want to rust this. Woman, come and look good for me. Lord got a peer drama out here. And then she see the woman face. She said the foot them big. May I tell her? So anyway, so we out here talk about the old man them. Them walk and try to look young girl for pick up. And I said to myself, me not understand this is a Viagra make them blind. Viagra and make them blind. They won't stop take Viagra and it blinding them. Where's the baby? Listen, no stop bumble clock talk and mess up my shit. Where's you want? Where's you want? Man, stop fuck up my tape when me attack, man. I go jerk your dick with some grease or something, get the fuck off the street. Yeah. So that means the old man, them a look young girl for sleep with. And them cocky a drop down. Like when they need walking stick. And then I realize that if you stop and look, Jesus and see God. Them still a look young girl, them still a go take all kind of sex pill and sex drug.
They want to feel young again.
Huh?
They want to feel young again. And they feel if they get a younger person, they'll feel young again. But that's not true. But you see all the old men out here, they winking and blinking at the young girls.
Hello, somebody talking.
All these young old men out here, they winking and blinking at the young girls. The young girls don't want them, they want what you have. They know you can't follow them around, so you a one-shot deal. You understand me? If you 80 years old, I'm looking for your check. I'm not looking for you.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm looking for your check.
Looking for that check.
Right.
And a lot of these men think that, you know, because they're giving women money, the woman should be in love with them. Yeah. They don't realize it's just fucking money.
It's money.
Right? Money comes and money goes.
Yeah.
Just like a dick goes up and it comes down.
Right.
It's the same thing like the money. But you have to realize to respect women and know at a certain age, God give you a life that you can live, to wake up another day, to breathe. And the only thing you think about is to go buy pussy with your money. Go and buy yourself a goddamn Bible.
They don't want no Bible.
Buy yourself a Bible because God, trust me, you're getting older and older every day and not getting no younger. And spend your pension money to buy pussy, you're supposed to use it to buy milk and vegetable to keep yourself strong. Right? Instead of gonna go buy pussy, some of these old men got AIDS. A lot of these old men are full of disease. Old as they can fucking be. And they're giving it to the young girls. Because they're running to these old men have house and like a pretty car, and they see the car wheel shine. And by the time they see the car wheel shine, their pussy start to jump like a frog.
Right. You right? Yep. That's exactly right.
And they don't realize sometimes the car is not paid for. Sometimes a friend car he borrowed.
Yeah.
But that bitch is so excited and so fucking licky and greedy for money, she run into the man. And for the old man, yeah, that's why them have the young girls giving them blowjobs. Yeah. Because they go for the innocent one that don't know much what they can give her like a money to and pull them in like a fish and a stick.
They train them.
They train, exactly.
They train them.
And that's the thing.
See, but with an old bitch like me, he can't train me.
Huh?
With an old bitch like me, he can't train me. I'm already trained.
Exactly.
So,
exactly.
your car can't excite me.
Exactly.
Your money can't excite me. You got to have some money and you got to have a fucking job.
Exactly.
If you're old, keep moving, because I know you ain't got long here.
Exactly. Because some of these old men, you know, they married and they come to pick up side chicks outside. But they want to make it seem like the side chick is their woman because they don't want to pay the money. They don't want to spend the money. So by blaming somebody to say, oh, you're my girlfriend, you're supposed to love me. You're supposed to be, how the fuck somebody gonna be with you like that when you're married?
No. The reason why the man gets side chick because the side woman try to treat him better than the wife. But they doing nothing but brainwashing him. They say, oh, you know me, love you so much more. Your wife don't do this for you. She don't do that for you. I do this for you. But it's all bullshit. The minute that you stop, she's in the bed with your friend. If your friend got more money than you, she gone. Because it's all about the money, not about you.
Exactly. So motherfuckers think it's all about them and they're reality talker. You supposed to love me and cherish me. Which woman want to get up in her right damn mind and cherish and love a man that's already married?
Right. He used up already.
What the fuck? You done married already?
She just try to take something just like
Exactly. It's all about the money, baby. It's all about the money. It's all about the money. All the women want to see their money. They want to go shopping. They want to get the nails. They want to get the yada. They ain't got no time to be running by a man that's already married, complaining about his wife this, his wife that, and when he finish sucking her pussy, he wants to give her half of her money. She want the whole fucking amount, motherfucker. She want the whole amount.
I'm looking some